guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do our administrator page. As you can see, so the page name will be admin register, and we'll be using the same technology as usual. We'll be using our HTML section, our CSS, our JavaScript, and our firebase. And you can see here how it will look like under the prototype. You can see how it will look like. So we'll be having 4 input bars. The first one will be putting our full name, the second one the email, the third one will be the username, and the fourth will be the password. And we'll be having our sign up button, and under our link to when we already have an account, we'll be having, you can click on it and it will direct us directly to the login page. So that is it. So let's go to our code. Okay guys, now we are in our Visual Studio Code, and the first thing we are going to do, we are going to create our admin register HTML file. So we just type admin register.html, and inside our admin, it's supposed to be admin. Okay, so inside our admin register, you will just copy, because we have already our register HTML file, which is the same thing we are going to do inside also our admin register. So it's the same process. We will just copy and paste it inside our admin register file. So we just copy everything and we will paste it inside our admin register HTML file, and from here we will just make some few changes. It's the same process, so you won't waste too much time. So first thing we are going to put here, we just put admin, and the next one too, the same thing. User name, and the last one to do the setting admin. Okay, so we have finished with that one too. We are going to add also admin here on our login HTML, and we go down to our references. Inside our references too, we make some few changes. I think the references will be the same. It will be the same. So the next thing we are going to change here, it will be our folder inside our firebase, because now it won't be anymore the user list, but it will be admin list. So we are going to create inside our firebase cloud admin folder, which will be holding all the administrator name, and it will be the same thing down here too. And we just put admin, and basically I think that will be all. So you can see that we haven't made any major changes. We just change the placeholder inside our input box, and also we have changed the file inside our firebase, so that now the file which will be created will be admin list, and the same thing to I think it is all. So let's now check how it look like. We just we run our server. So let's run our, so that is it. You can see now that we have admin full name, admin email, admin username, admin password. We have our sign up button, and you already have an account. So we will just try test it and see how it will how it will work. Okay guys, now we are going to check if everything is working. Now we are going to enter our data. So we just type Johnson for the name, Johnson, and we'll be typing the email will be on Johnson at gmail.com, and we'll be typing for the admin username John 1, and the password will be John123. So let's check John123. So we just click our sign up button. So as we have clicked our sign up button, you will be seeing that we are having an alert box, which is saying that the user added successfully. So we click OK. Now we are going to check if the user has been really added successfully. So we are going to our firebase. So we go to our firebase console. So we are waiting that it will load. So now we click our database is farm tech, so we click on our farm tech. So while we are inside our farm tech, we will just select build and click on create database. So okay guys, we can see that as inside our real database we are having the admin list. So as I told you, when we are making the changes, we have changed the user list to admin list. So now it has created the folder admin list, and inside that admin list we'll be having our various admin details. So that is it. So you can see that we're having our John 1 as administrator, and we are having the email, the full name, and the password. So that will be all guys, and see you for the next video.